Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is CC5, the character creator 5, and you can see this avatar. It originally is from the Mixamo.com. The body motions is from Mixamo.com, and also the 3D avatar. I just get it from the Mixamo.com as well. There are so many free avatars here, and also there are so many body motion for humanoid 3D avatar. How can I just import everything into CC5, the character creator 5? With the correct setup, it will automatic set up the Mixamo 3D avatar. At the same time, I also can get the body motions as the iClone motion file that can apply in CC5 character creator 5 and also can apply in any 3D avatar in iClone 8 3D animation software. How can I make this? And in these tutorials, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step from Mixamo to CC5 and iClone, from Mixamo to character creator 5 and also iClone motion file. And let's go. Okay, first I start from the CC5. Everything will just start from beginning, a fresh new project. And the windows also standards, everything will just start from beginning. And then the next step, just go to the Mixamo website and log in. And then the first step, you can just select your characters at here. Select any of your favorite character that you want to bring it to your CC5, the character creator 5. For example, I want this. Use this character. Alright, and then I'm going to just choose the animations for any of the animations that I want to apply on her. Okay, let's say this one, the goalkeeper catch. Alright, next, just click download. It is going to download together. Download with skin. And here, just click download. It is going to download it into your download folder. Just wait for a few seconds. Now it is downloading, you can see. So click here to show in folder. This is the FBX file. It is included the FBX exported from Mixamo. It will included the 3D avatar. At the same time, it also included the animation, the body motion were embedded inside the FBX file. So the next step, we are going to the download folder, and you can see the goalkeeper catch FBX file is already here. Next step, just open the CC5, the character creator 5. Alright, next, just drag and drop the FBX. Drag and drop into your CC5, character creator 5. Then import as character. Humanoid, choose the humanoid, click apply. And wait for a few seconds. Here you can see it already auto detect for auto conversion. Mixamo CHXX characters. Click OK. It is going to convert it to humanoid. So now you can see it already converted. Next, we are going to adjust the just adjust the material. It only have one material, the strength, of course, drag it to maximum. And also just right click, copy this, right click, paste. So now all the material texture already included. Next, we are going to import the body motion. What you need to do is just back to that folder, drag the FBX file. Drag the FBX file into the 3D avatar, and then here just need to click convert all, then click proceed. You can just take 001, the Mixamo.com, just proceed. From here you can just convert it. And where can you find the motion? you can just go to the custom, go to the animation, go to the motion. Under the external motion folder, just open it, and then you can see it is already here. This one, the goalkeeper catch, drag and drop, and try to play. You can see the animation is already here. The one that you can find it from here is the iClone motion file. You just need to right click and find the file. It is going to show in the file explorer, this one. You can copy this rlmotion file. The extension is .rlmotion. You can just save it and use it when you need. You can use it in iClone 3D animation software as well. You already make it become the motion file. It is really easy, really awesome. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Mixamo 3D avatar and also the Mixamo body motion together into the CC5, the Character Creator 5, and also the iClone 8 3D animation files, the iClone motion file. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!